Today we're going to be looking at how to add integers using a number line. We have a couple of examples that we're going to work through together here, so let's get started. For question number 1, we're being asked to add 4 plus -6. And as we can see up top here highlighted in yellow, when we're adding a negative integer, it means that we're going to be decreasing in value. And then we can see that we have an arrow that points to the left. And that tells us that when we're working on a number line, if we're adding a negative integer, it means we're going to be moving to the left on the number line. So starting out, we have 4, so we're going to locate our 4 on our number line here. And since we're adding a -6, it means we're decreasing in value, so we're going to be moving to the left 6 spaces. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 for -2. So that means that when we add -6 onto 4, we get -2 for our answer. Now moving on to question number 2, where this time we're being asked to add -8 and a +5. And as we can see up top highlighted in yellow, when we're adding a positive integer, it means we're going to be increasing in value. And then we can see that we have an arrow that's pointing to the right, which tells us that when we're adding a positive integer, it means that we're going to be moving to the right on our number line. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to locate our -8 on this number line here, and then we're going to move 5 spaces to the right because we're increasing in value. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that leaves us between -4 and -2, and the value between -4 and -2 is going to be -3. So that means that our answer of adding 5 onto -8 is -3. So now let's try a couple more problems here to make sure we have this down. So for question 3, we have -2 plus 5. So since we're adding a positive integer, it means that we're increasing in value. So that means that we're going to be moving to the right on our number line. So first we find our -2, and then since we're adding a positive integer, we're increasing in value, we're going to move 5 spots to the right. So we have 2, 3, 4, and 5, which gives us a +3. So when we add 5 onto -2, we get 3. Now moving on to question number 4, where this time we're being asked to add -2 plus -6. So since we're adding a negative integer, it means that we're decreasing in value, so we're going to be moving to the left on our number line. So first we're going to locate our -2, and then we're going to move 6 spaces to the left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which gives us -8. So when we add -6 onto -2, we get -8. So hopefully by now you understand how to add integers on a number line. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.